Hey guys, Swaroop's here. I know it's been a long time since I made any tutorial in Mathema'tricks. I was kind of busy in other tutorial series, but anyway, I am here. So welcome to Mathema'tricks, where maths becomes easy, interesting and fun. Today I'll show a cool and easy trick to divide any number by 9 easily. Well, so let's get cracking. Let's take a number. I would pick 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, by 9. Before going into that, let me just brush up the basics of division. 9, here 9 is the divisor. 1, 2, 3, 4, the one which gets divided is the dividend. The output we get is the quotient, and what's left off is the remainder. I know it's basic stuff, but I just want to brush up them. Let's get back here. The trick is very simple. Start with the first digit, so 1. Now add this to the next digit. 1 plus 2 is 3. Add this to this digit. 3 plus 3 is 6. Add this to this, so 6 plus 4 is 10. Separate that by a slash. The last, always separate out the last by a slash or anything, because that's going to be our remainder. Now here is what we have, but always remember this is an implied thing in mathematics, that the remainder is always less than the divisor, in this case 9. Since 10 is greater than 9, what we have to do is remove as many 9s as possible from 10. In this case we can only do it one time, because 10 minus 9 is 1. In the from 1, if we try to remove 9, it gets negative. That's not what we want. So one time we can remove 9 from the 10. So add that 1 here. So 136 plus 1 would be 137. And since we removed 9 from 10, 10 minus 1 would be 1. So this is the final answer. 137 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. Hola! There is the answer. That's how we do it. Now let me take an easy example this time. Let's take a perfect multiple of 9. Say 3078 by 9, that is the divided by symbol. Well, anyway, so as always, start with the first digit, 3, add this here, 3 plus 0 still 3, add this here, 3 plus 7 10. When we have 2-digit number, well, separate that with 2 braces, and now add this whole thing to the next digit, 18, and since that is the last one, separate that out. So this is what we have, 3, 3, 10 and the remainder 18. And if you have watched any of my previous tutorials, you would know that whenever we have a 2-digit number in between a number, we add the preceding digit to the previous number. So we have here 340 and still 18 as the remainder. And as I just said, remainder cannot be greater than divisor 9, and 18 is greater than 9, so we have to remove as many 9s as possible. From 18 we can remove 2 9s exactly, so we can add 2 to 340, so that gives us 342 and 0 remainder. So it's a perfect division. So that's it. Now let's take another example now and conclude this trick with that. Let's say a big number this time, 5, 4, 8, 2, 7, whatever, by 9. And you know how to start it. 5 plus 4, so 9, 9 plus 8, 17. So just put that in the brackets. 17 plus 2, 19. So still a 2-digit number, still in brackets. 19 plus 7, 26, and still it's the last thing, so separate that out. And since we have 2 digits, just have to push this number into the previous thing, get the 1 there. So find 9. 17 plus 1 would be 18, and since we got rid of that 1, we have 9 and we still have 26 here. Now add this 1 here. So 59 plus 1 would be 6, 0, 8, 9, and the remainder 26. And as I said, 26 is still greater than 9, so we have to remove as many 9s as possible. We can remove 2 9s since 9 2 is 18. So add that 2 to this number, which makes it 6, 0, 9, 1, and we'll be left out with 26 minus 18, which is 8. This is the remainder. So 6091 is the quotient and 8 is the remainder, and that's the trick. So hope you guys had fun learning this new trick. Try it out a couple of times and you will become an expert in using that, and you can use that and keep using that regularly so that you won't lose control of it. Keep watching my next tutorials as well, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video in the next tutorial. Bye.